Hello and welcome. You will learn what is Daily Cash Siphon and how it works, what results you can expect after using it, what about benefits and side effects. In this video, I'm going to answer all these questions. So please keep watching to discover everything to know about this magic formula in this video, but before we start, please like this video and subscribe to the channel if you are new here. This little action really supports us so much and motivates us to produce more and helpful contents for you. Do you want to make money by selling other people's products? Are you looking for an online source of income? Do you wish to learn affiliate marketing and start earning? If yes, then you must try the Daily Cash Siphon product. Affiliate marketing is another great source of income via the internet. But only a few people know about it. In affiliate marketing, you have to promote individuals and brand products to the targeted audience who are looking to buy such products. If you succeed in making the user buy the product through your affiliate link, then you will get some revenue. The revenue can range from $0 to a few $100s, depending on the commission set by the product owner. But how will you find such a highly targeted audience that will purchase the product through your link? How will you force people to click on your affiliate link? Now, this is where you need the Daily Cash Siphon program. Whether you are a professional or a new affiliate marketing, this program will teach you many rare methods of generating a lot of traffic and sales. But has it worked for anyone before? Should you spend money on it, or it's another sort of scam? To get answers to these questions, you could watch this video till the end. What is Daily Cash Siphon? It is an affiliate marketing training program that teaches people to generate handsome income via the internet. You will learn unique products that are easy to sell. These easy-to-sell products will help you produce a lot of money. It has about 60 videos that hold step-by-step affiliate training. You will understand the process of making good posts for the product, which leads to making large revenue. The program reveals a unique method of performing keyword research. Through that keyword research technique, you will be able to find many low-competition keywords that are easy to rank. If you are not familiar with SEO, then don't worry because this program will also explain it. You will come across the right keyword density and post length through the program. Most people struggle when it comes to promoting the product. People don't know the exact method to do promotion. However, through the program, you are going to receive the strategy of promotion products via guest posts, social media, forums, and a few other worthy platforms. Also, you will become an active forum member where you can ask queries and get some unique working affiliate marketing tricks from other members. About Chris Parker, the creator. Chris Parker is the creator of this affiliate training program. But you will not see him on the official product page. However, they have used William Fairbrother, which is the pen name. But Daily Cash Siphon is not Chris Parker's first product. He has revealed a few other products that have put a positive contribution to the community. Profits with Alex and 5-Minute Profits are two other products under Chris's name. Though it is not guaranteed that you will start making money through the program, you will get the best working affiliate training that can make you earn if you follow it correctly. Some people complain that they are going to get results through affiliate training. The reason that they are not getting the results is that they don't follow it in the right way. How do Daily Cash Siphon works? Its working is based on affiliate marketing through blogging. The program first demands you to own a website. However, if you don't have a website, or if you don't know how to create a website, then you can learn it via the Setting Up Blog videos. Nevertheless, you would need to purchase a hosting and a domain to set up your blog. Now you require finding a product. You will get a detailed guide on how to find a suitable product that you can sell quickly. Once you are done with the product finding task, you need to start building content on it. Make sure that the content is related to the product that you are promoting, and it should be effective so that people love to buy a product through your link. The program carries many working tricks that you should apply if you want to sell products through your blog. These strategies are going to be easy, but you will have to do some work to achieve the target. What comes with the Daily Cash Siphon program? The program comes up with many affiliate marketing related stuff that you will love to learn. Below are some features that you will be getting with it. Get access to 10 video sections holding beginner to advanced level affiliate training. The first 2 videos are introductory, which shows what you can achieve through this affiliate training. 3 blogging-related videos. These videos will make you understand the basics of blogging. In addition, there are 2 tasks given in this section, which you have to find to start the next section. For settings up, blog videos will guide you on how to make a blog and do its setting correctly. You will get 3 tasks with it, and you will have to install WordPress to create your blog. Many affiliate marketers struggle while writing blog content. Through this program, you will receive 5 videos consisting of blog content tricks. You will gain many latest and unique blog ideas through it. However, if you still don't want to write the content by yourself, then you can outsource it as given in the program. Further, you will get access to affiliate commissions and site promoting videos holding a few relevant tasks. Benefits of using the Daily Cash Siphon program. Below are some listed advantages of the Daily Cash Siphon program. Learn affiliate marketing. Learning affiliate marketing is not easy. You have to spend a lot of time and research to get accurate information from the internet. Even after doing a lot of research, you might end up getting worthless knowledge. So instead of wasting your time, you can purchase this program and get all the required information in one place. From finding a product up to promoting it, you will get everything in the program. However, the program demands you to implement that learning so that you can discover the desired outcome. Make money. If you follow things correctly, you can make a good amount of cash. Affiliate marketing can change your life financially, as it has done with the other affiliate marketers. You can even make $1,000 in a single day via promoting and selling other products. But you have to put some more effort and energy to reach that level of earning. The program includes step-by-step guidance about affiliate marketing. You only have to copy it to get results. Create a blog. The program additionally teaches how to create a blog. Apart from monetizing your blog via ClickBank, you can also use Google AdSense to run ads on your blog and make money through those ads. Also, you can start finding some clients who want their website to be done. You can create a blog for them and increase your earning source. Frequently asked questions. To know more details about Daily Cash Siphon, keep reading. Is affiliate marketing a legal way of making money? Yes, affiliate marketing is a 100% legal method of generating money. You can make a good living out of affiliate marketing. It can help you to achieve financial freedom. Many affiliate marketers are enjoying the best results in the field, and you can also do that. However, you only have to go through and follow the instructions revealed in the program. I don't know anything about blogging. Can I still use this program? Yes, you can still utilize this program because it will teach you how to do blogging. You will learn about website making and setting process. The program will guide you regarding keyword research, keyword density, and other relevant terms that a blogger should know before starting a blog. It's like a complete affiliate marketing store that carries everything about the field, so you don't require surfing the internet to learn about affiliate marketing. What is the requirement to start an affiliate blog? To start an affiliate blog, you need to purchase a domain and hosting. The domain is the identity of your website through which people will reach your site. It might cost you around $8 to $20 or sometimes even more. On the other hand, hosting is where you will keep your website data. You can get a suitable hosting within a $20 to $100 range. Pros. You will learn affiliate marketing from beginner to advanced level through it. It will help you generate money through the affiliate program. You will learn about a popular ClickBank program via this product. You can even make thousands of dollars per day by following the program. It will guide you with all the working and effective strategies. You will get some tasks to complete, which will increase your contribution and interest level. Cons. The program has got mixed reviews. It might not work for some people. Conclusion. If you want to enjoy financial freedom, then Daily Cash Siphon is for you. It is a working and tested product that carries every information about affiliate marketing. You will get a video guide about blogging and marketing, which is easy to understand. The Daily Cash Siphon program will show you the best and accurate promotion method so that you can sell products easily. It's a valuable investment that you have ever made in your life. Get your Daily Cash Siphon today. Click the link in the description to start right now. If you like this video, make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel right now. Just click on the subscribe button below this video, and if you have any question, please go ahead, let me know by leaving a comment below right now.